This episode of the BasicOps MCP recipe series covers the daily stand-up, a prompt that helps you quickly get your tasks in order for the day. Here, I created a file and uploaded it to Claude as a skill. This way, whenever I tell Claude to generate my stand-up, I get my daily overview. Your AI assistant will look at the status and due date of each of your tasks and organize them accordingly. After taking some time to think, it will paste the output directly into the AI assistant's chat. The BasicOps MCP connection allows AI to search your workspace and find any relevant details. The tasks will be sorted by status. As you can see, completed, in progress, and under review. And you can also add it to a personal note. All you have to do is tell your AI assistant to create a personal note, and it will automatically start to create one. Next, you will be able to see the personal note straight in your BasicOps workspace. Here is where you can see the exact same output, just in a different view. One of the key features of the BasicOps MCP connection is the fact that your AI assistant will be able to directly link tasks in your workspace. This prevents the need to search around just to find something that your AI assistant has referenced. Check out basicops.com/MCP to learn more about the MCP connection and productivity, and be on the lookout for recipe number 5 soon.